Hey, how are you? Nathan here from PH Studios, and welcome back to another networking tutorial. Last tutorial, it was a pretty complex task that we had to do, which was move about 99% of what was in Game1.cs to a new screen or class that we created called BattleScreen. And then we kept the stuff related to the particle system and the emitter. And then we left the sprite batch and graphics device in the Game1.cs. Okay, so what we need to do now is we need to use the use the screen system and load in the BattleScreen class. Alright, so go back to the Game1.cs file, and at the very top, let's create a screen system. And then we need to add using ScreenSystem library. So it's a screen system, and let's just call it screen system. Everything lowercase, or name it anything you want. And inside of the game1 constructor, let's set screen system is equal to new screen system, and we need to pass it this. Just say the word this. Now that refers to the active game1 object we are currently working on, and we just pass it this. Okay, inside of the initialize method, after init particle system, let's set screen system.addScreen new BattleScreen. Opening closing parentheses and another closing parentheses. Now, there's two things we can do to fix this issue. It's complaining about BattleScreen. Usually, what I like to do is I like to go to the BattleScreen.cs file and change its namespace to reflect the same thing as game1.cs. Then it likes it. However, if you want to keep that namespace like it was before, you need to just add that using statement. So it likes that one. Now there's one final thing we need to do to get this to work. Back inside the game1 constructor, inside of the game1.cs file, we need to add components.add screen system. We need to add screen system to the list of components. Let's build, run the game, and it complains because we do not have the server running, but as you can see, it's in the BattleScreen class. So go ahead and start the server and try running it again. Alright, so now it works like it did before. So we moved everything that was important to our game to a BattleScreen class. Last tutorial, we did not get our player on screen. We just saw the dots appear, our stars. Now in this tutorial, we brought the screen system to be used, and then we brought the BattleScreen class and actually used it in the screen system. So now we are back to exactly where we were 2 tutorials ago. We just implemented this in a screen system way. Now, that's pretty much it for this tutorial. Go ahead and close the game. Next tutorial, we will be building a menu screen. And we'll actually use the menu screen before we actually go into the play screen class, which is the battle screen. So this is a pretty quick tutorial. I hope you enjoyed the last couple tutorials. I might do one more tutorial today at the end of the day, but I might not. So if I do not, next weekend, we will be taking a break from tutorials. Because next weekend I will be releasing the trailer or promotional video of the Tower Defense series itself. I will release a quick video after this one explaining that in more detail, and I'll go over a forum posting that I made earlier this week. So again, I hope you enjoyed these past couple tutorials. A lot of things we had to do to change to our code to get it to work properly with the ScreenSystem, but I hope that you were able to follow the videos, and it was 25 minutes, and I was trying to get it done fairly quickly. So I hope you were able to follow the videos, and let's see, we only have like 2 or 3 tutorials left before this series is finished. So again, I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.